And we're back.
Back for another one.
Sooner than I thought, actually.
I know.
Today is a good day. We're swapping out these already really nice taillights.
They are really good.
For some even nicer ones. Welcome back to another BMW episode with Chris and I. We are working on Chris's car. Always been a dream of mine to modify my friends' cars with them. We're working with Kies Motorsports, and we have some sweet taillights in this box.
Just thinking about it. It's child lock right there. Oh,
So tell us. Oh, these are sick.
not even on the car. These are sick, dude.
So why are these special?
So these are not a replica, but a play on the M4 GTS that had these taillights from BMW. The trademark is that little swoosh, something that you don't see on the normal BMW lights, but that you get on the more expensive ones. The ones that are, funny enough, I saw one listed for, it was $900,000. In Florida. I can find the ad, I'll send it to you.
A GTS?
Yeah.
What is a GTS?
GTS is like a track heavy M4.
They made it from factory?
Mm-hmm.
Did people in the public buy them or no? There's race team stuff.
No, it was like a special one-off car. Very limited production. Not sure how many units are out there, but
Was it a certain year, do you know?
maybe 17, 18. No scratches at all. It's all protected when it comes to you. That's awesome. Oh, another red jet tag. Add to the collection. This is actually for pre-LCIs. I learned this.
What is LCI, by the way?
So, difference is pre-LCI and LCI. You have pre-LCI, which are your 2012 to 2015s, which is just the first iteration of that chassis year. And then you have LCI, which is an upgraded, newer generation of that same chassis. So my car is the LCI, which got the different tail lights compared to the ones on the 12 to 15s. You also had interior bits, the new iDrive systems, the bigger screens for that year. Small little touches.
A lot of different wiring, though, throughout the whole car, it sounds like.
Yeah, so this is what allows these lights to work on that car.
So these work on the newer and the older. Luckily, we have the car that's easier to install.
Exactly. Put them together. Just...
Ooh.
Oh. It's gonna be exciting.
Let's get to it. Begin this install, we need to remove this piece right here. First thing we're going to do is pull out these screws, but it's not just a regular screw, it's a plastic.
Get the camera there, but it's a clip.
It's a plastic clip with a screw inside of it. Never seen that before. I guess you can just leave them out,
Yeah,
and then we'll pry them out later.
There's some hiding underneath as well. Try not to lose them. Not making any promises. And then these have to come off before we can take the trunk liner off. Alright, so we're just going to unclip these little side rails. There's one here, one here. Boom!
I got the nails to get under that. You can get a little baby flathead. In the center, you're gonna pull this little guy out. It's pretty self-explanatory once you get there. It's located right here, which is the safety. If someone was stuck in the trunk, they could open it themselves. If you guys ever need tools, we have a list down in the description of every video. We have an awesome Amazon list we're always adding to look out for you guys. But right now we need an 8mm. We have this adapter and our mini impact. Chris is going to lead the way to take out the inner tail light. It's pretty straightforward. Start with the wiring probably.
I'll start with the wiring. It's the little push tab right here. You push it in and wiggle her out. She comes right out. You set that aside however you please. And then this 8mm right here. Okay, that'll come out. Don't worry, the nut's not gonna fall off. Just leave it there. And then next steps, now that the rear trunk light is free, coming from the inside, you're gonna want to push up to free the light. Now that we have some room, you want to push it up a bit, and you're gonna want to push it over. That will free your light. And then this guy will come separate. Just set this aside because you're gonna need it for the install. Hit me up on OfferUp. $400.
Before we install the new taillights, as you can see right here, we've got quite a bit of dirt, and it's really hard to clean here, so we might as well while we can. This is a great opportunity to plug on CarmaSpeed.com. We're giving away a Mazda Speed 3, an entire car. It's our first go around, and we're doing a little test. I actually work for this company, Superior Image. I helped them come up with this whole branding, the logo, and all the website stuff, but we added 3 products to CarmaSpeed.com, and this Diamond Bright cleaner degreaser that I use all the time is like one of the better things I've ever used. You can buy pro bottles, you can buy it concentrated, then you dilute it how you want. This is pretty heavily diluted, so I can use it for something like this and clean it. It's not just a degreaser, it's a cleaner. All the products at Superior Image are life changers. It cleans things up, even the heaviest amounts of dirt. Really simple and works super effective, and you can make them as strong or as light as you want. And then when I'm detailing my car, I'll use the ceramic detail spray, but this works perfect for this spot that we don't need to get any type of ceramic in here. We just need to make sure it's really clean. Hopefully Chris never has to see this part of his car ever again. Moving to the outer tail light.
I'm gonna unscrew this guy right here. Plastic clip. It should just pop off. Voila, it was actually not that bad. 2 little pinholes right there.
10.
10. Sweet. One, 2. This should just shimmy out. Dang, this thing does not want to leave. Oh, there you go. Just gotta shimmy her out. And you got one connector here. Same process, little push pin.
You're scaring me with your paint with my finger there.
Oh, we weren't gonna tell them that we're repainting the car next video? Boom, unhook there. Tail light out.
That's cute.
Now, Chris must figure out which one goes to which one.
So it's really hard to tell which one you use. Just kidding. Kies made it very simple. Tells you what year of car it is for.
So in this case, we're doing 2016 to 18. You see where your wires are. You see where the pins are. Kind of want to line it up. That's not going anywhere. So we gotta figure out how to tuck these without interfering. Back out.
That should be good there.
Should be solid. Oh, there's too much gap down here. It's probably the connector. Yeah, it is the connector.
I don't think it's necessary at all, but we went ahead and taped the connector. The electrical tape got it to stick kind of out of the way. It is kind of a lot to get to stay behind there, so you might have to maneuver it a little bit.
Oh, why is there a gap now? There we go. Take your 10s. She ain't going nowhere, bud. This guy. Install this back into the trunk lid. Reinstallation is similar to how you took it out. It's literally just repeating your steps. Take your 8mm.
Oh, it comes with a new one.
Yep. So make sure this is loose all the way. You can get it in a lot easier. I think it gives you more wiggle room to slide her in. But we're gonna start from the outside in. We're gonna go ahead and drop it in here. What you're gonna wanna do is pull this back, push down, and over. And what should happen is there should be a clip that locks in place. You should be able to push this down and then come back in with your 8mm and tighten it up. You should feel it snugging up. That shouldn't go anywhere. Last but not least, plug in your clip here. All right, you'll hear it snap in right there. That means you've done something right. And you can do a little quick testing to make sure you're plugging everything correctly.
Oh, let's go! What? That was like, hey baby, we're here.
Hey.
We're installed. That is a flex.
Big flex.
All right, go hit the blinker.
Oh, matches my mirrors now. Sequentials. Am I a Mustang?
Now this looks so boring.
Yeah.
It was so nice before. All right, now we install the other.
Yep, repeat the other side.
I just grabbed that. Don't do what we just did and forget to run the cable.
This guy, your emergency release.
Yeah, don't forget to run that through the trim piece. We had to take it all the way apart again.
All right, so we're gonna go ahead and put these back. There is a little gap in the trunk liner here. Push it down into it. Get these clips up here aligned with the trunk liner. That should fall into place. Now you can clip in here, clip in there. Good and solid. And then repeat the same steps on the other side. Voila.
Got our Superior Image glass cleaner. Gotta make sure these things look perfect. I got my waffle towel I got from them also.
Sweet, looks like the lights off. Ah, these look sick, man. This car used to only look angry from the front.
If you like the look of these taillights, you can go to Kies Motorsports with the link in the description to order these parts, as well as checking out other ones they have on the website for your BMW. All right, Chris, that's a wrap.
Phase 2.
I don't know what's next. We got to see what's in stock. Hopefully it's the rear valence.
That'd be awesome. Then we'll do that.
Tie it together.
Lower it, exhaust. Maybe we'll just hack up the exhaust, you know?
Yeah.
Cut the mufflers off.
Just a little straight pipe for the boys. Nah, we do have an exhaust for this car on the way for sure. Everything else is unknown as of right now. Let us know down in the description if you want to see anything specific on this car. In the meantime, I have a video of us installing carbon fiber on this car. Go ahead and check out that video. We show you the process. I know you'll find it interesting. We'll see you over on this video.